Hi, I'm Melissa Gonzalez-Valdes, Chief Creative Artist and Master Educator here at Farouk Systems. And I'm going to show you how to properly clean your Chi Lava Pro Turbo Dryer. So after 30 hours of cumulative use on your dryer, it will actually alert you on its own that it needs to be cleaned. So when the LED starts blinking, all you have to do is press your cold shot button for 5 seconds, and then you're going to release it, and it will automatically go into auto clean mode. Another way to clean your dryer is all you have to do is press your on button, turn on your dryer, and you're going to press the cold shot button 6 times within 3 seconds. So it has to be quick. And it automatically goes into auto clean mode for a few seconds. And your dryer is good to go.